My name is Shelly Shoemaker. I am the VP of Global Compliance at Tala. So Tala is a financial platform that leverages the power of technology to build the infrastructure needed to enable financial agency across the world. Tala currently operates on 3 different continents. Our markets include the Philippines, Kenya, and Mexico. We serve over 10 million customers today and have deployed over $6 billion in credit. Tala as a company in general is exposed to some normal risks that we see in the financial services sector, but also those risks that are inherently prone to the digital-first, technology-driven model that we've created. Some of those risks really entail regulatory and legal risk, operational risk. We also have, obviously, reputational risk. Then we have data privacy and cybersecurity. And then the last and final risk is around financial crimes. So in order for us to be able to properly mitigate those risks, we have to have a strong compliance strategy that's built around specific proactive pillars. When we were integrating with ComplyAdvantage, something that popped up that was an unknown risk for us specifically was around latency. So when we were trying to ensure that we were approving applications, we couldn't have any specific delay in any amount of time for us to get a response back to our customer. So as we were deploying in the Philippines for the integration with ComplyAdvantage, that was one particular risk that we hadn't taken into consideration that needed to be solved for. The integration with ComplyAdvantage was one that we were seeking because our previous solutions wouldn't give us the opportunity to have flexibility in our screening process, have the extensive list for screening because we do operate in different markets. It was important for us to be able to have not just one designated list, but multiple lists. There was so much flexibility in what ComplyAdvantage was offering us that it set them apart from any other of the solutions that we were looking at and any other of the integrations that we were going through. There was a complete ease of integration and a complete understanding of wanting Tala to be successful, as well as allowing ComplyAdvantage to support that success. Having a centralized platform to be able to view all of your screenings in one location, while also being able to demonstrate to our regulatory agency that we have one central location for all of our screenings, was something that we all knew would be instrumental in the ability for us to scale as well as to be able, again, meet those regulatory obligations that we have. The differences we have seen with this solution is really around the automation. This solution has built operational efficiency, it has built seamless customer interactions and compliance within all of our markets. There is a sense of security we have with ComplyAdvantage that their screening on the back end is meeting all of the criteria that we have to, and the team doesn't need to designate as much time, energy, and effort into that because we know ComplyAdvantage has it. The relationship that we have with the ComplyAdvantage customer account team is fantastic. I would tell other companies wanting to use or looking at ComplyAdvantage as a viable solution for their AML screening and transaction monitoring to look no further. The customer account and their technical support team truly understands your needs and is willing to get to the nitty-gritty of what you need to have to be successful.